Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. And I want to thank you for all that have subscribed. I really appreciate it. So today's Good Friday. We got out of work a little early. Well, we actually just left work a little early. You know, it was like, shut the toolbox down, let's go home. So we planned on running down to Sterling Heights tonight, Great Lakes Hobby, down one of my favorite hobby shops. The prices are just amazing, can't beat it. So yeah, it's a late night tonight. It is, wow, it's like past late. And yeah, we just got home a little bit ago. So got old coffee Papa Bear here. We're good to go. Good stuff. Anyways, I like to do my videos at night. Reason for, my internet is so slow. It's like, yeah. So I'll give you a rough idea what I got going on here. This is how it is for me in YouTube land. I can make a 10, let's just say a 10-minute video. After I get done editing, it'll actually take me roughly about 5+ hours to upload it. Sometimes 3. Depends on who's online, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to the country. So yeah, I mean, it just runs through my phone line, DSL or something like that, so it's really slow. So I like to do this stuff at night, so I figured, you know what, before I go into bed tonight, I'll make a quick video and kind of show you where I'm at with the diorama. I did a mock-up with it, and I did everything in cardboard, and I figured I'm glad I did that because it's skewed a little bit from the measurement, so I got to adjust the one side. I'll show you here in a bit. And I went down to, like say, the hobby shop, and we picked up a few things I've been wanting to get to start getting us together. I ordered a ton of brick sheeting from JTT Architectural Supplies, and that showed up in the mail today. I was pretty happy to see that. And a big thing I really wanted to get was a new Airbrush Bottle. The one I have for my Pache, it's like 20 years old. And, you know, the last guy that used it, I didn't quite clean the straw up that good. So, last time I was painting a model with it, the old Mach 1, I found some black specks in the paint, just a little bit. I noticed it was coming out, and I thought, oh, I know where that's coming from. So I figured it's time for a new bottle, straw. So I picked one of those up tonight, and I picked up a can of Tamiya paint. Sometimes I like just using the quick spray cans to do exhaust, certain parts of interior, things like that. You know, the little model paint cans. Versus mixing up an airbrush load just to shoot a little piece of exhaust. It's just easier just to, and I'm done. Other than that, I picked up a few kits. There's a few of them I saw, and I thought, man, I'd like to have that. Spent a little more than I wanted to, but you know, it's usually how it goes when you go to these things. I mean, you guys know how it goes. You go in there for, it's like going to Walmart. You go in there for one thing, and you come out with a cartload of crap. That's how it is for me in the hobby shop. So yeah, picked up this really cool old Ford truck kit. It's an open box, but it's pretty neat. It's like from the early 80s. It's like a Ranger, full-size Ranger. So yeah, anyways, I will spin this around and I'll show you guys what I got. Please hold. Thank you. Okay guys, this is the start of the diorama. This is my mock-up. So like I say, this is the part I got to redo a little bit. These doors need to come up to here, and then the rest of the building needs to come up. This is like can't remember the difference in scale feet this is, but I basically need to take this measurement and just add to the rest of this, and that should be about right on the money. So this would be that end piece of the building, and this is going to be the front half here. So I can get that on the picture for you. So this is the big door where the truck is, and I may take this up another scale foot, you know, measuring it out in feet. This is an 8x8 door, 6.5 foot door. I'm not sure if a lot of businesses use a 7-foot door. That I'm not sure of. So that's the only thing I might be throwing my whole measurements off, because I measured everything off that door. So anyways, there's that. So let me show you what we picked up tonight. That's what I got for the diorama starting. Yeah, I got a ton of stuff here, guys. So we got all the strip. We got that. So tonight I picked up some of this stuff, some more of this stuff, some of this stuff, tons of styrene stripping. And I have lots of it here already, so it just adds to it. Picked up some other JTT supply. So this here, I'm going to cut this way, and this is going to go across the top of here. So this would be like that siding they had along this top here. So there's 2 sheets in here, so I should be planting here. And this here is going to go across inside the building, like in the roof line. So when you look into the door, you'll see this in the ceiling. Other than that, we got like tons of sheet brick. This is the, like I say, G scale. I went with 1/24 scale. It was actually kind of harder to find in 1/25. And this way here, I figured just in case I had a 1/24 scale model, it'd look more at home, you know, than having the smaller building. So there's 2 packs of brick in each sheet, or each package. So like I say, I got quite a few of them. So I just did a big mail order on it. So hopefully there's enough here to get me by for that. Other than that, we got a big sheet of styrene, just plain sheet. There's 3 sheets in this. So this will be part for interior walls, stuff like that. And then I have a bunch of balsa wood here. And this will be basically the main wall we built up of this. So I'll obviously put it together. So once I put this together, I'll end up using the sheeting here, the brick. So I'll put this together, and then the brick will be fixed on the outside. Obviously everything will be all cut out, and we'll go from there. So this way here I can paint all nice first and stick it together. So that is the start of the diorama, and that is the stuff we picked up for it and have so far. I do have some LED lights coming for it yet. And other than that, I think I'm going to try to print a few things for it. And I did pick up another kit for interior parts tonight while I was down at the hobby shop. Let me get this out of the way, hold on. Alright, so like I said, I picked up a few kits tonight. We got the old Bronco. So I've been wanting this kit for a while. I saw this pretty cool kit when they re-released it. Had to have it. Let's see what else we got. Let's see what else we got today. Today, Junior. Let's go. So the wife picked this up. She says, I gotta have this. I want to build this. I know the MPC version of this is, for what I hear, is a horrible model. So hopefully Revell did a better job on it. And we'll go from there. So she picked this up today. This is what she wanted to build. I told her, you gotta get that Mustang together first. It's still sitting over there in the pile. So yeah, that's a pretty cool kit. Another one we got there. So let's see here. This is the Tip Top Shop kit. So I'm going to use some of the items out of here for our service garage. I really like the dudes here. I mean, come on. Rocking a push broom. You can't go wrong there, right? Yep. So plus it's nice. It give me some figures to add to the building here. So it works out pretty good. I don't know if the other kit. I got that Weekender wrenching kit. I think that come with a guy too. So that'll work out pretty good. So this is what I picked up, you know, especially for that. So I was pretty happy to get that. Like I say, I don't know how many of those kits they built. So this is a Ford pickup I picked up. This is a pretty cool kit. I don't remember seeing this back in the day. This was open box, but it's all there. So I thought, how cool is that? I don't know if this is it's a 1980. There's a copyright on this. So I thought that's, oh yeah, it says Ford on the hood here. Because this nose would have been from 80 to 82. And 83 is when they put the logo in the grill and they didn't have it on the hood. Yep. So I thought that was very cool. Very cool kit. So I snagged that. And the last kit I picked up, which I have never, I mean, I've been building models for a long time, guys. And I have never yet, I know, I'm waiting for it. Go ahead and say it. I've never yet built a Tamiya kit. This is my first one. I've been eyeing this kit down for a long time, and I wanted to get it. I wanted to try it, see how it is. We're gonna see. We'll see how it goes. This will probably be on the shelf for a bit. I got so many other things in front of it, but yeah, like I say, my first one, guys. First one. I've been building models since I was a kid, and I've never built a Tamiya. I've used all their paints. I've used everything else they have, just never the kits. Why? I don't know. They're just places I go to. They just never usually have them. But this place down here, they've got pretty much everything imaginable. So, yes, sir. That's where we're going to be. And, like I say, I bought me new straw and stuff for my airbrush. I had to have it. And just picked up a can of paint tonight. Like I say, I like using this stuff for, like exhaust, stuff like that. Just something just quick and easy. Works pretty good. And the other thing I bought, I know this isn't model cars. I mean, not related at all. It is model. Like I say, I do model railroading, and I'll have to do this in another video some other time. HO scale is what I model. I picked this guy up. This is an Intermountain HO scale rail car. This has see-through grates, and I couldn't pass up. He had two of them there, and I thought, I'm already kind of at my limit, so I maybe have to go down and pick up another one because they are different road numbers. Because anytime you guys do a model railroad, you always try to buy the different road numbers. So yeah, so couldn't pass it up. Had to have it. Told the wife, like, got to throw it in the cart. Let's do it. So anyways, guys, I'm actually wanting to open this up. I want to look into it. I want to see what it's all about. Maybe I'll do an unboxing on it. I don't know if you guys have built this kit or if you've seen it. I don't know. I love this car. I'm a big fan of it. I watched the whole, at work, working at the dealership on when they built this thing, and it just amazing, amazing when they built it. It was all built in secrecy and everything. So yeah, so I followed this along the time they was making it, and I just think it's just an awesome looking car. Out of my price range, most definitely, absolutely yes. But hey, maybe someday dreams do come true. Anyways, so yeah. So once again, guys, that's going to be the end for this video. Just a quick show and tell, and where we're at with the diorama. And we will get things going here and get you some more progress on that and see where we're at. So once again, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Hey, throw me a like and, shoot me some comments. I'll get back with you. So you guys have a good one, and we will catch you next time around. Thanks for watching.